Hi there, it's Josh here, the Classic Competition Company, and we're with another little British prize for you guys. This is a 1951 BSA Bantam D1 125cc, and this one can be won on our website, theclassiccompetitioncompany.com, for just £1.99. The draw will take place on the 18th of January 2026. So happy New Year. What I'll do now, tell you a bit about the bike. So this is, I think there's bits of it have been restored, bits haven't. So it looks like the tank has been repainted, the headlight. Engine looks like it's been fully out and rebuilt 'cause it's very clean, new carb. Got some little imperfections, just like the rear guard, where the rack bolts to is cracked. So it's not perfect condition, so I'd just say a nice, presentable, usable machine. We've also got this nice little horn here. Oh, gosh, how do you do this? That's it, you have to have a very quick grip to do that. Might be quite hard when you're riding. So what we'll do now, we'll start up. We've got a fuel tap here that we turn on. We've got a little tickler here. These carbs aren't the best. They're not really made of much, very small, and they do flood and make a big mess, but this one's not too bad. And you've got a choke on this air kind of cover here. So when you close it up, that's choke on. And then you open it a bit, that's choke off. We'll kind of have it in the middle and see what happens. A bit like a little lawnmower, these bikes. Right, so we'll give it a kick. There we are. That was easy. That was cold as well. So yeah, nice easy starter. Do the lights work. You have a little listen. I'll just take the choke off, see if anything changes. So the engine sounds quite smooth as well. Not too noisy. A lot quieter than the exhaust. So yeah, if you fancy a little BSA Bantam 125, go to our website, theclassiccompetitioncompany.com. Tickets are £1.99. And if you do enter, thank you for your support as always, and good luck. Noisy little thing.